Reminder, check your single-use batteries. My one is leaking. I almost lost my keyboard. This happened about a year ago and now it's finally causing problem. One day my keyboard suddenly stopped responding. I take it apart and notice the battery terminal and the wire connection has some blue stuff on them. When I look closer, the wire literally fall off. I'm guessing the leakage slowly oxidized the wire until the contact breaks. To fix it, I need to solder the wire onto the terminal. But I'm terrible at soldering, so I struggle a lot. You can watch the soldering process in my YouTube video. In the end, the soldering looks ugly, but the keyboard works again.